What's good, YouTube? 2022, we in here. We getting the meal prep right. Today, we are going to be making my favorite protein shake, which is a peanut butter chocolate protein shake. I use mass gainer just because I'm trying to gain weight. Normally, I just use whey protein powder. Whichever protein brand you use, whatever your preference is, it really don't matter. I have 1% low-fat milk. You can use 2% or whatever milk you want. I like Jif. Peanut butter, extra crunchy. You can use any kind you want. Of course, you need some ice, a blender, and then I'm tossing a little bit of creatine up in there too. So here we go. Let's do it. First, adding ice. Duh. So you want to add the milk. I like to use the whole thing be filled up with milk because I don't like mine tasting like medicine. It just helps it taste more like a milkshake if you fill the whole entire thing up with milk instead of making it 50-50 water. All right, next you want to add the protein. I'm using the mass gainer, so these scoops are huge. I'm doing 2. It says serving size is 6 scoops. This is a shake. This is mass gainer, has 2,300 calories for 6 scoops. I'm gonna just do 2 per serving and do 3 throughout the day. I'm not adding all that, but put your protein in there. Bang. Next, I'm adding creatine, and by the way, Nitrotech, that mass gainer, the scoop is all the way at the bottom. Whoever manufactured that, your mom's a hoe. Adding creatine. Seriously, I was digging for like 3 minutes trying to get this stupid scoop out. It's ridiculous. Powder everywhere. Like, y'all lucky I like y'all supplements. Lucky I make these gains with y'all. But next we're gonna do the peanut butter. Mine's Crunchy Monkey. I like my peanut butter Crunchy Monkey, you know, so we adding in the peanut butter. I normally add 1 to 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. Grinds up real nice in the blender. And then probably add a little bit more milk too. But yeah, I like this shake because it tastes better. It's more of a treat. Pause. That was a little sus. But it's a little bit of a reward, you know. It mixes it up for my brain. Becomes less of a chore, you know. So we got that milk. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. So that's what it looks like before it's blended, and then we're just gonna mix it up until it's like a smooth milkshake in the blender. Right, and lastly, you just want to go ahead and blend it. I just go ahead and hit start until it looks smooth and tasty. It's all blended up. It's gonna look kind of like a milkshake or kind of like chocolate milk. That's exactly how you want it. You know, you don't want it too thick, so it's nice and easy to drink. That thing's slapping. It tastes just like a Reese's, and that's how you make, you know, a peanut butter chocolate protein shake. This one has a mass gainer, has about 500-600 calories in it, with some extra protein. I think it's like 30-40 grams of protein, including the peanut butter. So let me know what you guys think. It just helps it switch it up. I like to have you know, my protein and my meal prep and stuff tastes good, and takes a little bit more effort, a little bit more ingredients, but definitely worth it. Don't forget to like the video. Have a good day. Peace.